Sounds like it wants to start. 12.4 volts. When we turn the key, there's no power at all. We definitely have something grounding or shorting out or something like that. I wonder if it's this wire. Maybe we just take apart all of the accessories and we clean the engine bay and figure out where all the wiring, what all of the wiring is. Follow the injectors and the starter wire and just like generally degrease and clean everything, because underneath the starter you can see that there's some, I think it's an oil cooler line. It looks like it's leaking a little bit. The starter's covered in gunk. There's definitely a power steering leak, so I think we know the engine runs. I'm not sure, we didn't get to compression test it, but we do know that it runs. So it feels like okay to continue and just take everything apart. That's what I want to do. I want to go through and just clean it, take everything apart, and then from there we can start to assess a plan of how to rebuild it to a state of starting, and then we can assess it from there what we need to do in order to get it to the track. Trying to drain the radiator, and then I realized that I just want to take everything apart. I started taking this off, and yeah, now I'm gonna get some lunch. But before workout time. Yo. Okay, lunchtime. Today I got some pizza, and then this Warhead rock candy, and some water. Cheers. I'm not happy with the progress so far. Really feel like I haven't done anything. I have this book here that, you know, it's like the service manual, so I should be able to just read it and like know how to take off the bumper and stuff, but instead I just kind of like pick at it. So that's how I am. We got a garlic cheese chicken pizza from I made it for dinner last night. It's like Kroger Select or something. Very good. I hope that your day is going well, and if not, to better days. I guess today I hope to get the intercooler piping off, the cooler off, and a stretch goal would be to get the coolant drain. So we're like 2%. Lunch is over, slacker. Back to work. So now that we've clearly defined our goals, I feel better. No idea why. I have a target to aim for. Target acquired. Favorite part about video games is the voice lines. No one wants to hear you talk, Brandon. Shut up, Brandon. You don't want to hear me talk. Progress. All the charge stuff done or taken off, so now we should be able to have access to pull off the front pieces, and then maybe we drain the coolant. Pressure fit. That's the rest of the piping. So we'll clean up the rest of this piping and then try to drain the radiator. Got all of the intercooler in the box. We got the intercooler piping off. We wired up the ignition switch. It started, or tried to start, and then just shorted. So where we're at now is we're just gonna see where we end up over the next couple weeks. And if you want to see this progress and transform, please subscribe. If you saw something that I did wrong or would like to see something better, please let me know. And yeah, have a good day.